Greetings, citizens of the world. We are anonymous. We are announcing our support for everyone living in Houston that has been affected by Hurricane Harvey. Times like this is when we all need to come together as a community and help out one another. So far there has been an estimated 30,000 to 40,000 homes destroyed, and the death toll has risen to 20. People have been evacuated already, but the hurricane still continues to travel into Louisiana and is still affecting Houston. In the description we have provided links for Charity Navigator, which is a website that provides a list of legitimate charities, so you can donate money to the right companies without getting scammed. Any amount of money is appreciated as it's going to a good cause. We have also included a link for Google's crisis map, where you can look up shelters in the local area. If you know of anyone affected by Hurricane Harvey, be sure to let them know about this video and these links so we can help each other raise more awareness. We are anonymous. We are legion. We do not forgive. We do not forget. Expect us.